Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Faithfully Asia, and we're 1 week into being on lockdown here in LA, and let's just say that all the beauty salons and barber shops are closed and a lot of people are struggling. So if you're amongst a few who are struggling, don't worry, your girl's got you covered. So this video is sponsored by Asteria Hair. Dolls, I lost the packaging. As you guys know, I moved last week and it's somewhere amongst the boxes. But the good part is the hair, and I have it for you. So let me give you guys a close-up of what this hair looks like. This is their WaterWave unit, and it's a 13x6 lace, which means you're going to have a lot of lace for parting. There are the standard 2 combs on the side and 1 in the back. I did go ahead and bleach the knots on this unit, and it's ready to install. So first, let me let you give a good look of what this hairline looks like. It does come pre-plucked. I think I'm going to pluck it a little bit more, but let me first try this on. So this is what this looks like. You guys know when dealing with curly or wavy hair, the need to pluck is not as crucial as with straight hair. But I think I'm going to just go ahead and pluck just a little bit in the front before I glue this down. Last week I asked you guys if you wanted me to stop plucking the units in the video, and you said to continue, so I will. If you're new to my channel, it's so great to have you here. Now don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my latest videos. Okay dolls, I'm gonna go in with this Even New York tinted spray. My girl Natural Joy always raves about this, so I decided to buy it and give it a try. I haven't tried it out yet, so this could go right or left really quickly, so fingers crossed that it all works out in the end. And dolls, I'm only gonna spray a light layer to the front of the unit, and I'm not gonna spray the entire lace. Okay dolls, so I sprayed the front of this unit with this spray, and the tint spray matches perfectly with my complexion, and now I'm debating on whether or not I should spray the part as well. I typically like to leave my parts lighter because I think naturally your parts are lighter than your skin tone. So me and my daughter are divided on whether or not I should spray the part. I'm gonna let y'all see what it looks like before I spray the part. Notice this part is a little lighter, but I think I'm gonna go ahead and spray the part, and if it ends up being too monotone, I'll add the powder at the end. And I do want to add that this tinting spray smells so good. It smells like perfume. And dolls, I'm feeling lazy, so I'm not going to do a ball cap. Y'all let me know if y'all prefer this better. And this is how much hair I took out of the front. So don't be afraid to pluck your units. It's gonna look like a lot of hair, but as you see, it's not really that much. And now I'm ready to lay it down. For this install, I'm going to use my Isha Absolute glue. And I think this glue is pretty beginner friendly. It doesn't require a lot of layers for it to stick like some of the other glues. And I'm going to just put a part down the middle and do one side at a time. And I remembered not to put any makeup on my forehead this time, and I'm gonna just apply this glue in small little dots along the perimeter. while this is drying, I'm gonna go ahead and start applying it on the other side. And dolls, excuse my broken nails. This is the no nail salon struggle right now. I'm just gonna go over with the blow dryer really quickly to make sure it's dry. And dolls, I only did one layer of this glue since the only place I'm going after hair is Club Bed. And you guys know I don't really particularly care to sleep with my units. I might sleep with this, but hopefully it will only last for a couple of days. Now I'm gonna cut the lace off. Now I'm gonna just lay these edges down with the Gots to Be glue. And now I'm going to just tie this unit down for about 10 minutes. Be right back. Add some of my mousse. Style Factor Edge Booster. Add some Fit Me powder. Use my wax stick. And I'm just really gonna apply this to the parting area. And dolls, this is the natural curl pattern. As I mentioned, I already bleached the knots and washed this hair before install. So this is the true curl pattern that you will have. And I'm just going to separate some of these waves just to give it a more full look. If you're not going for the big hair look, you don't have to do that, but I love big hair, especially when it's wavy or curly hair. The bigger the better for me. Let me show you the parting space. This is pretty much what it looks like. If you want, you can add curls back to the front that you may have lost from plucking the unit, although it's not necessary. And I have tried Asteria hair before. I reviewed their loose deep wave, which I think is really popular. But I am really loving this curl pattern for this WaterWave. So dolls, let me go ahead and give you all the deets on this unit. As I mentioned, this hair is from Asteria Hair. This is their WaterWave unit. It is a 13x6 frontal, which means you'll have tons of parting space in the front. I did get this in a medium-sized cap, and this is in 22 inches. Let me stand up so you can see where that lays. And this is in 180% density. If you do want something a little bit less full, I do believe they do have this available in 150% density as well. So dolls, if you're interested in purchasing this unit, everything that I used in this video, as well as links to this wig, will be listed in the description box down below. And if you're not part of the faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as always important, until next time, you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now.